So so let's start. Thank you for coming in the live stream. We want to look today to the Bitcoin price and what is the next. Before we're looking here to the Bitcoin price, let's start with the Dow Jones. So I hope you can see this, the chart here. Let me look if I can see this. Give me a little time. So, okay, now you can see the Dow Jones chart. You can see the Dow Jones is at the moment 35,000. And we have here the situation that the price is going a little bit to the downside. Yeah. If we want to understand this structure, yeah, from the technical chart technical point of view, this is a hammer. Yeah. I'm a little bit wondering in the last days, everybody talking about crash, the price will go here to the downside, huge, big crash is coming and blah blah. Yeah. So then I'm wondering why they talking about the crash. The Bitcoin price is going up. Yeah, we broke some structure at the Bitcoin chart technical side, yeah, and Bitcoin make at the moment his outbreak. Yeah, why they talking about crash? Then I look to the Dow Jones chart and I want to understand this why they talking, and I analyze this and I'm over the 100 years. Yeah, it's not that I analyze the 10 years. Over the 100 years, then I look, okay, that's not true. So then my second thought, okay, why they spread the crash? Yeah. Again, the elites don't want that you make money. That's the same game like the Bitcoin. Yeah? The Bitcoin price in the last days before Christmas, yeah, they're talking about the crash, that the price will go here to the downside. Yes, this was true 4 weeks before Christmas. Then I predict, okay, the price will go here to the downside, but in the last week before Christmas, the whales manipulate the price to the sideways, and the Bitcoin price breaks through. Yeah, and exactly here in the Dow Jones price, they talking about the crash, but in truth, we built here a hammer, and if we you can see the hammer is fulfilled, and here if I zoom in, then you can see in this hammer we built a second small hammer. That means that give us the information, this is the left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation, the price will go up. Yeah, they lying to you. They lying to you about crash and blah blah. You can see if I zoom in, the next target is at the Dow Jones is 45,000, and we will go a little bit sideways. It depends what the whales make here. In true, this is a big left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation, and after that, then in the end, I don't know, in 4 or 5 years, this will go like crazy to the upside. So we have here two fragments. One fragment is this, and the second fragment is this. We know this, yeah, I know this, yeah, because if you analyze this, yeah, this is a pre-step. We call this hammer. After the hammer, first step, second step, yeah, and the third, first, second, and the third step, yeah. So enough about crash. We're looking here to the Bitcoin price. That's the reason why you here. So let's look. In the last video from my side, I show that I was right 2 weeks ago. I called the bull run. Why we talking here about the bull run? Why we sure that this is the bull run? I explain you this here. So in the RSI, you can see that we are here at 85. Yeah, normally if a movement or if the price is going, or the RSI is going to 85, then we have to go a little bit to the downside. Yeah, and you can see we are still in these high areas, and no matter if the price here or RSI is 85, we will go more to the upside. It's a typical signs that the bull market started. Yeah, and if you look to the chart, then you can see that this level is tested. Yeah, you can see how many times we tested this. Yeah, you can see 1, 2, 3. This will not hold. Yeah, and let's look more inside to understand here a little bit. Yeah, you can see also a good sign. Yeah, the RSI is falling and the price is staying here. I'm not caring about this if the price coming a little bit to the downside and test the 20,000. So I'm not make a panic. I see this also here in the RSI. We already broke here the uptrend. But from the chart technical point of view, if we analyze this, then we are not finished. Yeah, we have a really good uptrend. If you look, we have also here a good support level. Yeah. So what possible is that the price test these levels again a little bit and we break here through. Let me look more inside. You can recognize this also from here that the price is not falling so much to the downside. And we built here also a hammer. All signs for us that the price will explode. Yeah, I zoom in that you see this in 30 minutes chart. Yeah, and you can see also here we tested the 1, 2, 3, 4, and this will not hold. Yeah, if we're looking here to this, then you can see that the next move is like this. Yeah, this will not hold. I'm sure that we will build here this structure, left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation. And the next move is then like this, that we build here a hammer, a second hammer like this, yeah, and then we're going in this direction, yeah. So we're looking here in the chat. So I have only 30 minutes time. I will pick. Uh, Thank you for your comments. Yeah, um, I like that. Yeah. So share the videos that many people come to the chat, but we can only analyze here some of the important. So maybe if you are interested, then I would make next week, or if I have time, 2 hours. Yeah, then you can request what you want. Yeah, then we can look here exactly. So let's take some of the importance. What we should take. Let's take XP. Yeah, XP is also a good. Let's take this here. I have other here. Let's take XP. Don't worry if we not make all the cryptos. Yeah, so you have the memberships, you have the possibility to write this. So I'm here. I'm not going away. So you have the possibility to request every time. Let's look here to XP. We have here the situation that we break out, and my members, they have here at these moments only, look here, 100%, yeah, nearly 100% if they make a margin. So if you look to the XRP price, then I expect that we will go here to these levels. Yeah, at the XRP we have here a wonderful uptrend. Yeah, this is a wonderful uptrend. So if the price go really, yeah, we're fighting with this level here. If the price break this, then I expect the XRP price here. Yeah, we have a little bit resistance. This is clear. I see this, yeah, but I expect a formation like this. And then the next move is like this, yeah, $1. Is this the end? No. Our neckline is here. And if we can break the neckline, it will happen. Yeah. Then the next step is $1.60. Yeah. But I'm sure that the whales manipulate the price from $1 to these levels back. It's a good possibility to make here short. I call this I this is sorry for laughing. I like that. Yeah, this analyze. This is like a hobby for me. Uh, in the Wolf price target, you get exactly this information. Yeah, I said here to you from $1, we have the possibility to short the 60 cent. Yeah, and then we build here the structure. I make this in green that you see this. Then we have to build here this structure to test the lows again. Yeah, and many of the moon boys will then call, okay, the price will go here to the downside. It's not the case. We have a huge pattern here, huge left shoulder head and right shoulder formation. This will explode. So from the timeline, you can see XRP July, August, June, something will happen here. If they manipulate the price, then you can see we're going a little bit to the direction of September. Yeah, September. So, and then last pump to these levels, and $1.80 is not the end target. Then the machine start here at this levels really hard. Yeah, so let me look. So, and this is the overview. We test this level 1, 2, 3. Here at this level, the condition is not yet fulfilled. Yeah, if you look to this is too few. Yeah, in which we can say, okay, XRP has the power to go here to the upside. In real, we have to build a big or a small hammer in this case. I expect that the price will go here at 2024 to the downside. Why? Because the elites and the rich don't want that you make money. Yeah, everybody, the moon boys will call here that the price will go here to $30 and blah and blah. No, exactly on this place, the price will go here to the downside. We will get here good support at this place. Yeah, and then the machine will start and XRP will go. Let me look. So I think, and I think this is the real price target here to $14. This is not the end target. Yeah, this is only a step. After that, the price will go a little bit to the downside and then go here to the upside. So we go here to the next. If you want more information, become a member of the Wolf price target. Then you get here the end targets. Yeah. So we're looking here to one more. Boah, this is okay. Why you request Solana? This is crazy. Um, the FTX collapse. After the FTX collapse, they use the informations, yeah, and say, okay, Solana is dead, blah blah. In real, the elites and the rich buy here. They say to you, Solana will go dead, yeah, and they buy exactly here. If you look to my um old videos, yeah, then you can see I call this down area very exactly, and I said, okay, the price has the power to go here to 20, yeah, or $15. This is coming through. The price is going here to the downside, yeah. So what is this for a construct, yeah? Why we have here the situation that the Solana price is going here up, yeah? You can see something is happening here. We test this level here. Yeah, you can see this is exactly our downtrend. Yeah, what happens? Yeah, Solana tests his channel in a high areas. That means it seems this is a important area. Yeah, if you look to this, then you can recognize, okay, downtrend is here, testing here, here, here. Okay, why the price could go here to the upside? Let's look more inside and understand this. So, what many of the people not understand, we are here at the moment in a downtrend. So in the downtrend, the rich, the elites manipulate exactly this area to the upside. Yeah? And you think, okay, Solana is going to the upside. But in real, this belongs to the downside. So what will happen if we reaching these levels here? Yeah? We have to make here a retest like that. Yeah? If the retest happening, then we are out of range. Yeah? And then the next step is coming. The next price target of Solana is $50. Look, here in the live stream, you get this for free. So please support the channel so that you see, okay, this man is right. Yeah, look, you get here 100% from my side. So important, we have to test these levels here. And so I'm calculating if the whales manipulate not so much, that we're coming back to these levels here. You can see we have here the situation to stay here at these levels. You can see we test here a lot of these areas. Yeah, so we have a good support from here, and then the Solana price will fly. Yeah, you can see we have the condition. If we look also here in the RSI, then you can also recognize that we already broke here this structure. So I expect here a retest. Yeah? After retest, the price of Solana will fly. So let me look. If we going here, make test and going here to the sideways, the next target of Solana is, let me look, $100. So this will go crazy to the upside, and really, this is crazy. We will test these levels, and the end target is much higher. I will not say here the end target. Please use the Wolf price target for this. I wanna show you what is possible. Yeah, after the $100, the next target is, let me look. If we say okay, we have to test here the 250, but 250 is not the end target. I will not say this is peanuts, yeah, but 240 is really low. Why I'm saying this? Because we are exactly on this place here, that you understand in which levels we talk. If you look to this, yeah, this is our neckline here. You can see here the hammer. This small hammer, what you see, yeah, after that, this happens. Yeah, you can see. And here we have a total different situation at the moment. We have not the small hammer here. We have this big hammer here. Yeah, you can see here. And that means this will explode. This will, yeah, I have no words for this, because we have here the extreme situation that the crypto market will go to the mainstream. That means every person will buy cryptos. Yeah, and that's the reason we have the condition. We built here the condition that we have to break here through, and this is our neckline. Yeah, so this is crazy. So make a membership, Wolf price target, uh, request this crypto Solana, and I will give you the end target. Yeah. So we make here two cryptos more. why you have the best cryptos. Yeah, every request are high performance cryptos. So we're looking here to Filecoin. I said here for Filecoin the price will go here to $2.50. Please search for this video. I call this price here $2.50 exact. Yeah, exact. I said in this video $2.50 and the price is going exact to these levels. Yeah, some of you bought this. Yeah, some of you are in profit. Yeah, at the moment, and the next move will begin here. You can see we have a left shoulder head and a right shoulder formation. The price will go to the sideways, and then we will go here really hard to the upside, because here a key information is that we will break here this structure. Yeah? We already break back, but we have to make here this movement, yeah, to test these levels here. And after testing these levels, you can see we are now in the future, because you can see we made this test first time, and we have to make here a little bit test of this level. That is happening at the moment, yeah. So that you're not wondering why we have here go here to the sideways, yeah. After the test, the next move is this. And Filecoin is very interesting. This is one of my favorites chart, because the whales manipulate the price so to the downside. Look, from $11 to $2.50 that we have here after $7, $8, $9, a really good turbo. Yeah, that means we will test these levels here. This is very important here. The whales can manipulate this. Let's look 1, 2, 3. Yeah, they can manipulate the price to the downside, because I not like this structure here. Yeah, this is one of the structures what I not like. You can see downtrend, downtrend, downtrend. So it is possible that we make this. Don't worry if the price is going more sideways, yeah, and not fall. This is good for you. Then you know exactly, okay, something will big happen. So again, June, July, August. This is a place in which the cryptos will go really high to the upside. The next target is $12. We will go to these levels. We have a good support here at these levels. Yeah, I expect this. So then you can see we have here not the condition to break out. Yeah. We have here this resistance. You can see we test this, go through, make a retest, go down, make test, go down. Yeah. And the next movement is that we have to go here to this place. So, and I calculate that we will go until end of the year, yeah, to higher levels like this. But I'm sure this is not the end target, yeah, because if you look here to the formation, this is a joke if the price is going to $30, yeah. So at this place, again, 2024, the whales want to make here a manipulation, especially if you look to these places, yeah, you can see a lot of $30, $16, yeah, 50% drop. And then you can see we have a big W pattern. That means the price will fly. From this point, we will get a really good uptrend like this. Yeah. Is this the end target? No. The neckline is exactly going through. Let me look. The neckline is going here through 400, 500. This is the neckline. Yeah, if you understand what the neckline is, if the neckline breaks, then you see here double of the price in direction of 1,000. Yeah. So these price targets you get in the Wolf price target. Yeah. So remember, people who not use the Wolf price target, they wondering why this man is predicting here from $4 to 1,000. But this is the true, because we have here the situation that we have here a really different construct. This construct, you can see also from here, the price is falling from 130 to 30. Also here, price is going from 200 to 46. Yeah, and we have here a huge megaphone pattern. Yeah, that opens a huge channel to the upside. So we take the next 2, 3, and then we finish today. I have not so much time. I have to work tomorrow, a little bit boring job. Um, let's look which we can take here. Let me take here this. I don't know what crypto this is, but this is no problem for me. We cannot find this here. So please request another crypto so that we can look. I have no time to prepare such a request here at the top, but you can request this later, then we can look here. Yeah. So Filecoin T-Fuel. Okay. We have here Ocean Protocol. Okay, that makes sense. That I know. So, okay, a wonderful chart. Why we know this is a wonderful chart? Because we have here a really good uptrend. Yeah, you can, if you look here to the Bitcoin price, then you can see this also here in big. If we're talking about a uptrend, then you can see this also at the Bitcoin price. Why we know that the price of Bitcoin will go to 80 and 100,000. Yeah, we're talking about this uptrend here. Yeah, and this uptrend is, if you look to the altcoins, are really extreme manipulated. Yeah, that means at the Bitcoin price is clear. Yeah, you can see here the uptrend is here, and we have to go to 100,000. Yeah, it's not exciting, but in the altcoins, this is crazy. Yeah, the altcoins will go massive to the upside. Yeah, okay, you have here profit from 20,000 to 100,000. Yeah, it's okay. Can go long. The moon boys are getting exciting, but in the altcoins, this structure is so manipulated to the upside. This is crazy. 10 $10 crypto will go here to $250. And this is not normal. Yeah. So we're looking here to Ocean Protocol. We have the same uptrend here. That we say, okay, this is our megaphone pattern starting from this point. This megaphone pattern will go crazy to the upside. So if for the first look, we can say, okay, we have a trend to the upside. We have our resistance. We have our downtrend here. And if we're looking here exactly, then you can see we already broke the structure to the upside. Yeah, this is a good sign for us. Okay. That means we have to retest these levels. And at the moment this is happening, we test these levels. Now we're looking here more inside to understand why we're staying here at these levels. Yeah, if you zoom in, then you can see that we're fighting with these resistant levels. Yeah, and this is a good sign. You can also, if you want, that I make a seminar for you. Exactly these signs you learn from my side this year. Exact this behavior give me the information. Okay, I'm not caring about this resistant. This was my first test, and I give you the sign. I will break this. Yeah, exact this is, if you look to this chart. Yeah, the price will go. Let me look. I have to look more inside. Yes. So we have the situation that we will test these levels here. The last fragment is the worst fragment, so I'm not confused if the price is going a little bit to the downside like this. Yeah, we built the structure, and the next target of Austrian protocol is in direction of 40 or 45, 50 cent. Yeah, we will doubling here, going here to these levels. Then you can see the next target is exactly this behavior here, that we test these levels between here and here. Yeah. So that means the next is to break here through. And again, I wait until June, July, August. The next step is coming. The next price target for this is $1, $1.20. Yeah. So that we build here our structure, and the next test is this. Yeah. So this is not the end target. Please request this in the Wolf price target membership so that we can find here the end target here. But huge potential, huge. Yeah, you can see from 20 cent to $1.20, but we will go here in direction of $2, $3, but $3 is not the end target. So we're looking here to the next crypto. So look, we're looking here to Matic. I will make here 2 cryptos, then I will finish. If I have more time, then I will make here 2 hours. Then we will make every crypto, yeah, every request from your side. Yeah. So we're looking here to Matic. Look, okay, thank you for the comments. So we're looking here to Matic. So at Matic, we have the situation, if you look here, all-time high was $2.80. And now you have this construct. Let me look if I can find here a better chart for you. This is a better chart here, okay. So let me look. Yes, I'm honest to you, Matic tests his levels here, exactly. And the whales try to stop this crypto to the downside. Yeah, they don't want that this crypto should um, go here to the upside, because you can see from the retest. Yeah, in July we make a retest. We make here in we made here in November a retest. We make here at the moment a retest, and these are all the signs. Yeah, all the signs that this crypto will go relative quick to the upside. Yeah, if you see something like that, and you can, if you see that this area is tested so much, this is a sign for you that we will go relative quick to the next level. And the next level is, if we forming this, we will break this. Yeah, the next level is this. So I'm calculating with a movement like this. Please make a screenshot so that you compare afterwards. Yeah, so that you understand why we make this and why I predict this. Yeah, you can see here a lot of retests, and this is a sign for you, okay, something big is coming. Yeah, and I calculate that the price is going very relative quick here to these levels. Yeah, maybe if we look here February, the elites, they can stretch this a little bit to the sideways, yeah, like this. But in the end of the day, we will see this, yeah, the price will go to these levels, make here stop, make this move, yeah, to make a retest, and then finally go here to these levels. Yeah, this is not the end target. Yeah, this is only erase the manipulation here, because they press the price down so that the real price is here $2.40. Yeah, so here at these levels we have the situation that we have not the condition to break out. So I think um, again the whales could manipulate this to the downside. Yeah, we have not fulfilled the situation to break out. And if you look here to the whole construct, then you can see we have here a really good pattern left shoulder head and right shoulder pattern, so that we can go here really hard to the upside. Yeah, that means if you want here the end target for Matic, then if we say okay, 2025 is this, because I'm calculating that the real bull market start here in areas of 2025, because they reach, I think they will make here a really good pump to these levels here, yeah, and then 2024 a little bit downside, and from this we have here a really good place to go here in direction to $10. Yeah. So at $10, this is our neckline. This is not the end target. So not wondering yourself that the price is going more to the upside. Yeah. Again, use the Wolf price target to get here really exact price targets. I wanna explain you why we think that the price is going here so much to the upside. Look, we're not talking here about random lines. No. Look, we have here the situation that we had our neckline in the past here exactly. So the price was here 004. And if I predict to you here at these levels at 002 that the price will go to $3, then you would say, no, it's not possible. Yeah, you would not understand why I make here high prediction. In real, we have the same situation here. Our neckline is exactly, if you look to this construct, our neckline is exactly here. Yeah. Begins here, first neckline, and our second neckline is here. And if we can break this, it will happen. Then the price will go crazy to the upside. So we're looking here to the next two, and then I would finish, because today, thank you for joining, but today is a little bit from the time. So which I should make? Which crypto is the best here? Let me look, let me look, let me look. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, let's take Gala and then one more. Why you have the best cryptos? So I already made here a good prediction for Gala. People, I explain you, we have here a big hammer. Yeah, and the big hammer will go crazy to the upside. We have this information. Yeah. So if you look more inside, then you can recognize here we have a resistance. We have here a resistance. Now we're looking here more inside. Maybe some Mumbo is looking also to my channel here at the moment. Maybe they can learn something from my side, yeah, so that they can predict in their crypto spaces. I'm wondering that some of the crypto influencer, have no clue. Yeah, so they predict something, yeah, and hope that is right. But here we analyze this exactly, and I only believe my experience. I not believe some news. So if you look to this, what you see here, you see that Gala is fighting with this resistance. Yeah, you can see this was also a good, how can I say, important area. Please, I want that you understand this, that we not draw here random lines. You can see we're fighting with this in the past 005, 005, 555, and then the price breaks, yeah, to the downside. We make a retest and go here to the downside. My follower get exactly here at these levels, exactly 0018, exactly on this place. My follower get here the information, the price of Gala will fly. Look, they have a lot of profits. They are 100%, over 200% and plus. So now the moon boys wake up, yeah, and they invest here, but okay, they have the possibility to make a little bit profit. If you look to this place, we have here our hammer, and one sentence to this area again. 005 is an extreme important area for Gala. That's the reason why we make here so much retest. Yeah, and if this 005 breaks, then the next level is coming. Yeah, the next level is that we're fighting, that we will fight with this level here, 007. Yeah, let me look to the RSI. You can see we already broke this. It's a very strong. Yeah, RSI looks very strong. So people who talking about the downtrend, they are wrong. Yeah, that what I see here is we forming here our left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation, and this will go here to this place. Yeah. So um, if we break the 005, 007 level, yeah, the next move of Gala is in direction of 15 cent. Yeah. So if we going to the 15 cent, we have to test a little bit, yeah, go a little bit to the sideways because we have not the condition to break out. That means here the price will go a little bit to the sideways, yeah, to form here our big hammer. And if this formed, yeah, then the next movement come. It depends. I calculate here in May, June, April a good uptrend so that we can reach here this level 60 cent. So for more, please request in the Wolf price target so that we can look here exactly. Yeah. So I take here one. Let me look what we have here. Okay, we take Coty. We take Coty, and let's take no again one. One is Coty. One is, let me look. We take Coty and all cryptos request what you made here is very good. We take Coty and let me look. TFU. Coty is the last. So this crypto is a good crypto, yeah, from the chart technical point of view. But I'm wondering why this crypto is not listed in so many um, crypto exchanges. Yeah, I'm a little bit confused about this because from the chart technical point of view, this crypto is very hot. Yeah, you can see also we have the situation that we already uh, make here our button. Yeah, so that we can say, okay, we are ready to take off. Yeah, if you look here to this um, situation here at the moment, then you can see we have here a triangle. Yeah, and that means the price of Theta Fuel will fly because we have the situation that we are testing here in this triangle this downtrend. Yeah, that means we will build here the next structure. I make this in green to see this. Yeah, we'll test this level. So the next movement is in direction of 005. We will come back, make this move, and then it will go relative quick to the upside. The next target is 10 cent. If we reach the 10 cent, yeah, we'll make here a little break, yeah, like this, and form our left shoulder head and right shoulder formation. Yeah, and all signs looks again. Look, the time frame June, July, August. I don't know what will happen there, but all cryptos show that we will see here a really good pump. Yeah, so that we can reach here higher levels like this. Yeah, and you can see that we have here a weak structure. That means we tested so much here that this will not hold. The price will go really hard to the upside. So I calculate at least that we will reach these levels again, and then we will make here a break, and then we will go through. This is the neckline, and the price will go really hard to the upside. Yeah. Yes. Can you explain the trading teaching from you? Yes, I can make this. If you book a seminar, then I can explain you why we going here to the upside, why we have to test these levels, yeah, so that you can prepare also yourself, yeah. I'm online, and then one day or 2 day I'm not online, so that you can prepare yourself and react if the price is going down or up. So we're looking here to Coty. So, oh, very beautiful crypto. We have to choose a good chart like this. Let me look. Yes. So in my eyes, Coty is the most manipulated chart here. Um, you can see we have a good uptrend. Yeah, we have a really good possibility to reach here $1. It will happen also. Yeah, we will reach this point here. The question is when. Yeah, this is clear that we reach here the $1. The question is when. Yeah, you can see we have here the situation that the resistance is here, and we're fighting with this resistance. And if I look to the chart, then from the chart technical point of view, yeah, we have to go a little bit like this to the sideways. Yeah, you can see we have a negative trend here. So the next move is this. But this here is not so much strong. Yeah, we will go through because we have the condition to break through. Yeah, we'll make a break at these levels, and then the price of Coty will fly. Yeah, to get these levels here. Again, you can see June, July, August. Yeah, here will happen something to the cryptos. Yeah, because I see here strong moves from all cryptos. So I expect here that the price is going here up. And if you want here the end target, please request the Wolf price target so that you get here the end targets. $1 is only the next step. Yeah, if the neckline breaks, then we will see really, really high levels. Yeah, you cannot imagine how far this is. Yeah, the $1 is only the neckline. Yeah. Again, if you want to understand what the neckline is this. Yeah. I explain you this. This is our neckline here. Yeah. If neckline breaks, then crypto fly. Yeah. So I would say we are finished today. It's a relative short, yeah, 50 minutes. But in the next week, we can make here 2 hours, and then you can request really, really more cryptos. I want to support you because they are YouTubers, they are influencers, they have no clue about crypto analysis. And I think share the videos, share my channel so that we can grow, so that we can make a voice in the crypto space, so that we can really grow and that more and more people see, okay, that what the Wolf predict here is coming true, and support the channel, because for me is really, I make a lot of work, yeah, to analyze hours and hours. It's not um, you see only the surface, yeah. So if I analyze something, yeah, for example Bitcoin price, it takes me nearly 2 3 hours to understand here the structure, because the structure is really, really manipulated, and it's not easy, yeah, to say, okay, the whales make this step here. Okay, what is the next step? Yeah, for example, this year. So for me, I see here negativity, yeah, but I know this is our hammer here. So this is not our end cycle. So one more cycle wait for us, and this cycle is strong, can take us to these places, yeah, or more. So I'm finished. Have a nice day. Thank you for support the channel, and I hope we can see us in the next session. Stay on the channel and share the videos. Thank you.